Hello, welcome to Geo's TNT, Tips and Tricks. And today, I'm going to do actually a really common problem that a lot of people don't even know. And it's how to get rid of hiccups. Quick and easy and fast, very efficient. I'm going to teach you two simple ways. You can do them at home. You can do them anywhere, in the office, in the bathroom. Weird a little bit in the bathroom, but you can do it anywhere. So, the first one is, when you have hiccups, drink very cold water. So now I will get myself a glass of ice cold water, and then I'll show you what to do when you drink ice cold water. Okay, we're back with ice cold water. I don't know if you can see, but there are 2 ice cubes in there, and it's legit, it's almost below freezing. So it's super duper ice cold. So let's reenact some hiccups. You're, I don't know, talking to a friend or watching TV and you get the hiccup, whatever. I don't know what sound you people make. But get yourself a glass of ice cold water and you just take consistent sips. Like that. Simple and easy. I'll do this like take a sip. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take another sip. Then if you do that consistently, like if I can take sips all the way till I'm done with this glass, then I won't even think I'll get hiccups anymore until half. But it's always good to be double checking everything. So yeah, this is a really quick and easy one you can do at your home or do in the office, anywhere, at work, anywhere. So now I'm gonna show you the second tip, or the second way to get rid of hiccups. Second tip, very simple and easy. All you need is a plastic bag. So what you're gonna do, I don't know, hold on. One sec. You're fine, Ariel. Okay, next tip and trick, or life hack, whatever you wanna call it, but it will help you out very much. So all you need is a plastic bag, simple, that's all you need. You don't need anything else. Probably doesn't need to get out of your cupboard or anything. So now, what you're gonna use is open it up, to get the blend in, when it got the air in so it can expand and everything. The usual. All you gotta do is breathe in and out of it, like this. Simple. That's all you gotta do. I would do that for like a minute or 30 seconds, 45 seconds, around that time. And then around that time, you won't even know that you've already lost your hiccups. So definitely a really good one. You know how say, oh, just hold your breath for I don't know, 20 seconds and then hyperventilate, breathe really fast back and forth. That doesn't really work. I mean, if you might get really lucky, but I would say the chances of your hiccups are disappearing will be very low. This one really works. It's very highly effective, and also the cold, sipping ice cold water. And you know what? I'm gonna give you a third one is how to get rid of hiccups is actually to subscribe Geo's TNT and let everyone know to, hey, you need help? Geo got it. I swear, Geo can do it. Just comment down below if you need any help. I'll gladly do it for you and make your life even better. So have a great day. Stay safe. It's summertime, put us some sunblock. Or, be hydrated. I mean, if you live in Arizona or Nevada, you're basically like a piece of crispy bacon, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Or like that character from SpongeBob that chocolate. That little turd, whatever that is. So just stay safe, man, See ya.